Whoa. 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 Good morning, everybody. We're here today in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia at the KL Bird Park. Kuala Lumpur Bird Park. We just arrived via Grab. It was only 8 ringgits, $2 or something, less than $2. And so we're about to go get our tickets, and we're going to grab a little drink over here and then head on in. We've seen this place from outside. There's netting everywhere, so I think it's really, really big. I think we're going to be here a long time, and let's get started. Here we go. Got us a big old bottle of cold water. And we're in, and this is the world's largest, lots of world's largest stuff here in Malaysia. So this is the world's largest, I guess, bird park of some sort, enclosed, I'm not sure. Oh yeah, see, just the birds are just everywhere. So we're gonna walk up here. Hopefully there's some signage. You hear all that noise? There was a loud bang, and all the birds started hollering. Look at these guys right here, man. Hello, birdies. He's loose. Hello, birdie. I'm waiting for him to just jump on my head. So they're setting off some sort of explosions. Yeah. Oh, there is a sign. Okay, good. Sounds like they're setting off random explosions, probably to keep the other birds and animals away. Oh yeah, so we got cockatiel, sun conure, Indian ringneck parakeet, bouge or something, and a monk parakeet.
And mosquitoes. They're all over the place.
Yeah, they're just hanging out in there.
They're feeding them corn and apples.
Yeah. Okay. So the place is huge. What the heck is that?
Oh, Jesus. Thought it was a spider for a minute.
Yes, a white flower spider. So, oh my goodness, look at this stork-looking thing. All right, we'll be down there in a minute. There's going to be a lot to see here. I'm going to try to film as much as I can for you. They're just everywhere. They're just hanging out over on the stoops over here. Oh, this is a really nice fountain they got going. Yeah, they're just wandering around everywhere. Look at this guy over here. Let's see if we can't get close without scaring him away. What are you, buddy? Yeah, they're everywhere. I think he's gonna go. Yep, there he goes. He flew. Cool. This looks like a blade of grass. Just standing there. Yeah. What you doing there, buddy? Look at you. Okay, we'll leave him be. Oh boy, peacock. Got a peacock, guys. That is the famous KL Tower right there.
313 species of doves and pigeons.
Oh yeah? There's some doves and pigeons right there. Well, they've got quite the place here in the middle of the city. KL Tower. I can't remember the name of that one. I'll put it on the screen for you. That's the second largest tower in the entire world. And it's practically right outside of our window where we're staying. Okay, we got a black crowned crane who heard me talking. Hello, black crowned crane. Black crowned crane? Black crowned crane? There you are. There you are. Oh, what was that? Gobble gobble. Happy Thanksgiving. You better hide. He's making some racket. Whoa. 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 They came right off the roof of the building. There's one more up there. He might come down too. Back up. Back up. Alright guys, we got some owls here. These are real. They look like little statues, but they're real. Oh yeah. It's not something you see every day. That's a little baby owl. That's another little baby owl. And we've got a different kind of owl over here. Wow, you can feel the breeze from these birds flying right next to my head. Amazing.
Hey, how about
Conversing with the birds.
He's feeding them. They're following the food.
They're smart.
Wow. There, one landed on his shoulder. Look at that.
Being very good. People write it down.
Nini, come back. Nini, come back.
All right, we have an ostrich or two right in front of us. They're huge. They are huge.
Inside your eyes, can you feel the rush? Closing the gap we made, oh how I miss your touch. Push through the ceiling now, we can reach
while we're looking for the next place to go, I wanted to mention the cost to come in here was 175 ringgits. That is $33 US, about 16 bucks a person. And well worth it, well worth it. We're always fooled when we, even though we've been here so long now, we still can't get it in our head when we hear 150. We're thinking $150, oh my God. No, it's ringgits. And that was 33 US bucks. Guys, I have a flamingo sighting. Now, we've seen some flamingos at the Flamingo in Las Vegas, Nevada. They had a flamingo park outside. And here they are here in Malaysia. Guys, we're having an ice cream break. And this little bird came to visit. He's just going to chill out. I don't think he would like ice cream, buddy. No.
I like ice cream.
There's a nice ant for you right there. Get that ant. You don't want the ant? He said, I don't want no ant. I want the ice cream. Northern red-billed hornbill. Oh, he's having a cow over here. What's going on? Look at the koi. They just come right up to you. They're expecting to be fed. I don't have any food for them. They're expecting it. They just come right up here. This is a rather large one. Just kind of chilling out on the fence rail here. Like me. We're old and tired too. It's okay.
They both do.
We've made our way over to another zone. 3, maybe 4, I think zone 4. Yeah, zone 4. And this place is just huge. Plan on spending a half a day. There's a restaurant on the property. We're gonna go hit for lunch. There's little snack areas. We just had some ice cream. And the place is just massive. You just, I mean, we've pretty much been from here over. And we're now right there. So we're about to go down all this. And there's supposed to be an amphitheater with a bird show. I think it's timed though, so we may not make that. Well, we found ourselves a waterfall. We were just up there behind it a minute ago. And they have this really nice trail. It just winds its way down. And of course there's all manner of storks and other things down here. So we're going to go around this way. There's another overlook there. It's so nice here in the shade, isn't it?
Oh, wait. Not bad.
Yeah, the temperature dropped 10 degrees in the shade. Let's go get this overlook right here. Oh, that is quite the picture. Very scenic. Not sure what we're seeing here. I don't see a sign. Okay, I think there's a sign all the way down on the end of the fence. I know what they look like. And so far, whatever we thought things were usually weren't. Let's see what the sign says. She is correct. Ding, ding, ding. She wins a free satay. They are emus. They are emus. Go, buddy. You dropped it. You getting full? Oh, not my hand, the leaf. That's better. You got my finger. Huh? Yeah. Take a little break. I think we'll have some a little snack here, maybe some lunch, and get a breather and figure out. I think we're pretty much done with the park. Then we got to figure out. There is a botanical garden very close to here, so I think we'll see if we can figure that out too. I mean, we're here. This is our last day in Kuala Lumpur. Last day in Malaysia. We'll be heading out pretty early in the morning for a brand new adventure. Something we've never tried before. It's going to be interesting, if not a little nerve-wracking. So we'll see how it goes.